a lot of girls.
Because when I see Somalian guys, I think of my brothers. That's
All of
why.
them. Who's gonna marry you then?
A blackie.
Oh yeah, African ladies. But you
Yeah,
know, I'm a Kenyan now, but I love my girls more than the other girls because I have to respect my culture first.
yeah, but I have to marry a Muslim. I
Yeah,
don't care
yeah.
about the culture and all that stuff.
But why
I
you
care
don't
about
like?
Islam.
No, I wanna know why you don't like your own people. You just own people
I
because
like my own people,
your
but
own man, your own
yeah,
man.
they're
Why you
pretty.
need a jareer? Like why you need a jareer?
I don't like. I like Somalis. It's nothing wrong with them, but they like remind me of my brothers. That's why.
How does that make sense? Like it just makes sense, so I can understand it.
I don't know. I don't like my brothers a lot.
Okay, so now but that's why you always on to
Yeah.
African guys and going over them because if I know I hate that you a lot like having fun. That's nice. That's
Yeah.
nice. Now can I
Do
get?
you like Kenyan girls?
I'm telling you now if I'm dating you and if I like any Kenya girl, she's the priority always. Because listen, you can't beat the second choice, yeah, as my country. You can be a second choice, but you will never be the first choice for me.
Yeah, I understand that.
But I've seen it a lot Somali because they don't do that. They don't give a fuck. They just say like I don't like Somali. And
Yeah,
back then I used to date a Somali girl, and every time when she sees Somali, like she give me more attention than the other time. She hugged me, she holding my hand. When she sees Somali brothers, she moving different. Like why you don't like them? Like I don't understand. I say like there's something wrong.
yeah. But it's because I don't know.
Okay.
It's awkward to like talk to Somalian guys. It's very awkward.
Is
Yeah.
you got snap? You got snap?
I have Instagram.
Let me get you Instagram. You can't link. I'm sure fly. Well, would you
Yeah.
fly out if I fly you out?
If you fly me out, I would come.
You'll come.
Yeah.
Say no more. Say no more. I'll fly you out. I'll fly you out. I promise you that. Yeah.
Good. Okay, it was nice talking to
It
you.
was nice talking to you.
Have a good day. Bye.
See you, Kale. See, this is the only problem we have, chap.